Hey there, it's Jenny, and I have another week to share with you in my memory planner without photos. And I'm going to do a little flip through of the last couple of months just so we can enjoy the layouts. I just like doing this to see what I've been doing recently, get a feel for the pages, and I love it, which is important, right? All right, I'm going to go ahead and remove the pages so that I can have a firm, even work surface. And I'm going to be using these stickers from Let's Plan It this week. I love the daisies. I don't know why. I just went in search of daisies. That's really what I wanted. And first up, I'm going to use these number stamps from Carrie Bradford to stamp the dates across the top using the VersaFine ink. I recently purchased these stamps and I'm really enjoying them a lot. I've only used them a couple of times, but the quality is fantastic and the size is perfect for planners. So that's definitely a huge win as far as I'm concerned. I feel like the scale is really good and I love that I can add color if I feel like it or I don't have to. Now I'm going to start with my decorative clusters, and I will start with this one up in the upper left-hand corner, and I'm just including three different elements. You can see that right there. I'm so smitten with the daisies. Now for this one with the words, I wanted it to be the only one that had text on it, and then I included that little swath of flowers. I think my favorite element in this entire kit. I absolutely love it. So I'm just going to build out all three of these with three elements to each one. And you can see right there the triangle if you wanted to go ahead and draw that. Obviously, you're just going to use your imagination. Now I'm going to start planning, and I wanted to try using the straight lines as accents. And I'm using a brush pen because it's the best yellow I've got, and it was handy, so I decided to go for it. And I just wanted to see how I would feel about stacking two different plans together using two straight lines in between as separation. Obviously, I'm able to color those words or those letters in using that same brush pen that I used to draw the lines. And again, it was really just because I had it handy. I could have used any other yellow pen, but this one did the trick. Now I am a little behind, so I will not be doing it day by day as I have in the past. I'm just doing it all at once, filling that out, and it is working nicely. Now I didn't have a lot of stuff on Monday to include, so I left the bottom portion blank, and I'll do the same thing on Tuesday in order to create a larger decorative cluster so I can put something together there. Now sometimes I might just keep going and fill in decor in between the items, like the list of things that I have on Tuesday, and absolutely that would be a great option. I just figured I might as well and go ahead and create a larger section of decor at the bottom in those two boxes versus doing that. But I definitely love doing both things. Now you can see I did alternate writing directly on the page and writing on stickers throughout Tuesday, and then I'll do the same on Wednesday as well. And I'll go back and add the decor at the end. I just want to have an idea of the overall plan that I'll have, if that makes sense. Like I didn't want to do it just day by day in since I'm doing the whole week at once. I love the Let's Planet stickers. She's especially these quarter boxes and half boxes. They're wonderful. They're absolutely beautiful. The paper is magnificent, and I just love the variety of elements she has on these sheets. So I buy the full boxes and then the quarter and half boxes. Then if she has it, I will also buy the decorations and I think they're called supplemental. I just think that they all make really fun planner layouts, and then those 4 sheets will usually get me over 2 layouts. So I feel really good about that too, because having both of those decorative elements just adds more decorative elements to make it through a couple of pages. I just sometimes feel like I keep saying the same words over and over again, and that was one of them. All right, so you can see Friday was really light. I didn't have a lot going on, which is nice. It's nice to have a nice chill Friday. And so Saturday, I'm writing in all of the things. There was a lot going on Friday. Or Saturday, I'm sorry. So I'm filling in those boxes and all of this stuff. And you can see right here, as I'm writing, I get a really good feeling for, okay, I've got where the empty space is and what I need to fill. And so that I can be kind of looking at the stickers as I'm planning and thinking about how I'll fill those spaces. So obviously I'm not necessarily making plans, although I could be, but I'm definitely thinking about, okay, I need a small little thing here, or I need kind of a couple of things together, and what will I use? I have a large area, things like that. And that helps when I keep continuously going back and forth to the sticker sheets. It just makes it a little bit easier for me to plan out. Now, the Daisy theme came together so well. I absolutely love it. It's as fun and cheerful as I thought that it might be. Now, for here on Friday and Saturday, I just decided to expand on that cluster that I already had. So I add that decorative little strip right there, and then just one more little flower. But I also love this sort of half wreath. I'm sure that actually has a real name, but it's so pretty, and I definitely wanted to use some of these pieces throughout here. And what I like about it is that this paper, I can move stickers around. So you saw it overlapped one that I had written a plan on, or, an activity. And so I was able to just pull it up and move it, no big deal. And it really turned out well. And I love the way all of those pieces are coming together. So now I'm just going to finish up decorating for the week, and then that's it. Thanks so much for stopping by and watching. I really do appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to leave me a thumbs up. It really helps me know that you like the videos, and it just really makes my day. Anyway, thanks so much, and make it a great day.